also the flight leader. So as you said, I'm affectionately known as boss here.
We call this a remote show, so a place where we don't launch from. I perform right over the top of it. But one of the really neat things about this is that the viewing angle is 360 degrees. So you get to see the show from all the different angles. You get to see it from places we don't even get to see it before. And so it's a little bit more challenging for me to find things I don't have a nice runway to line up on. But out there on Saturday and Sunday with all the boats that'll be out there, I'll get a clear view of what the show line looks like, and what an incredible place for me.
Walk me through how the marine layer over Lake Washington drives your high, low, or flat show on any given afternoon.
Yeah, so the weather gets a vote in everything we do. So first and foremost, we do a safe flight demonstration, which means that we don't push it. We're naval aviators, we fly, and we train in really, really bad weather. But our job is to go out there and fly first a safe flight demonstration and then a very exciting one. Depending on the weather layers, we can modify our show even mid-flight. And we do that by understanding exactly where the clouds are and ensuring that we don't try to fly into them to the max extent possible. We fly into a cloud, it's not the best thing. We always try to avoid the ground as the highest piece of K or probably the kill of our aircraft.
Captain, I understand this is your final season in command and the team's 80th anniversary. What part of the Blue Angels culture did you deliberately change or sharpen? Something spectators will never know came from you, but the next team will inherit.
Yeah, so every single day when we go out to fly, I expect everybody on this team to pour their heart out. We're here for only 2 or 3 years, and we wear the Blue Angel crest on our chests. So what I tell everybody every day is to go out and earn your crests. So you spend your time when you're a newbie here, when you're a new officer or a new enlisted personnel, you earn it. And every single day after that, I expect that they earn it over and over and over again. And maybe it's even harder to keep it on your chest. And what that means for me is that you give every single thing that you have to this team, because we owe it to the sailors and Marines that we're representing that are downrange right now to be the best we can be.
We're doing the loop with them, and it's just the angle of hooking. It's trying to fight the keys while doing it.
Well, I remember seeing growlers fly over my house. At the time, I didn't know what aircraft it was, but now I know there were growlers.
But also, you can't take away that Cuban element also. And my role and responsibility is to make sure that the beat gets some show sight to show fight safe.
That is the beautiful sound of freedom behind us.
Flying the jets is the cherry on top, especially in a place here like Seattle.